Love with these rhymes, want to cover a time. Man of the year, got my image stuck in your mind. Hold up 1 second. Girl, this my last out. I'ma roll it up with you. Got some brand new shoes. Put me in the good mood. I'ma bring a couple homies. You can call a couple friends. Is there a type of alcohol that you would recommend? Being young, so fun now. Never wanna age. Heaven came down in the past 5 days. Just trying to tell it like it is. We the shit. Now dealing with some motherfucking kids. What? Broadstreet Records and Hodge. Thank y'all for tuning in. What up, E? Let me do what I do. Most dope, thumbs up, Pittsburgh. What up, Taylor Gang? Artie, Adi Lab, Benji, Big John, everybody, man. Let's do it. Yep. It's my time right now. Kids, kicking some incredibly dope shit. Bitch.
Miss, would I be crying if I asked you what was wrong? Would I be crying?
Everything's wrong.
Not everything. The sun is still shining. It's a beautiful day out. Some things are okay, right?
Do you mind if we smoke this blunt outside? Cause it's nice out and we could get high. Yeah, the sun's shining and I'm feeling right. We outside.
Hey, I wake up, throw on some clothes and out the door, I won't be back. My shining sun horizon setting up a lovely backdrop. My life the topic of a lullaby. Breath of fresh air, it's something right. I don't wanna be inside today. Just keep it rolling like we riding skates. I got a happier haze. I'm thinking we gon' get high today and let the sun shine all in my face. Oh yeah, this life is good, don't let it all go to waste. Just walk outside the door to get your mom off the case. Yeah, free live to swear. I be on some hippie shit, but get way fresher than the hippies is. I got the gift of gab, something that you wish you had. Don't need to get a strap, nah, I'd rather kick a rap. Enjoy the place that you live in, that escape round. We just some kids in this world is a playground.
Just run outside, cause it's nice out and we could get high. Yeah, the sun shining and I'm feeling right. We could post outside for the night. Do you mind if we smoke this blunt outside? Cause it's nice out and we could get high. Oh yeah, the sun shining and I'm feeling right. We outside.
When I be on some kid shit, gonna take my shorty on a picnic, and every day feeling like it's Christmas. The kind of weather had the people living so privileged. I know the Lord take today, he was trying to give us. Hey, rich and poor, a sunny day, a sunny day. We start the madness as soon as we hit the month of May. Rain, go away. Waiting for my homie Mr. Sun to come our way. Little kids running through the streets playing. Poppy on the porch, he ain't got time to waste it. He's just an old man in the sea. Ernest Hemingway, elevate, look up in the sky, stare at heaven's face. Second grade, holding down the corner, slanging lemonade. Everyday hustling, riding down Penny Lane. You ain't gonna get a day like this, so put the rest of your troubles with that good night
kick. Do you mind if we smoke this blunt outside? Cause it's nice out and we could get high. Yeah, the sun shining and I'm feeling right. We could post outside for the night. Do you mind if we smoke this blunt outside? Cause it's nice out and we could get high. Oh yeah, the sun shining and I'm feeling right. We outside. Mind if we smoke this blunt outside? Cause it's nice out and we could get high. Yeah, the sun shining and I'm feeling right. We could post outside for the night. Do you mind if we smoke this blunt outside? Cause it's nice out and we could get high. Oh yeah, the sun shining and I'm feeling right. We outside.